In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail filters like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to streamline your inbox and manage your emails with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account. If you haven't already, simply head to mail.google.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your inbox, look towards the search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Enter the type of email you want to filter. This could be a specific email address, a keyword, or even a label. Be as specific as you need to be, depending on what you're looking to filter. For example, you might be looking to filter newsletters, so typing in newsletter could help. Next, after typing your search criteria into the search bar, you will see a small icon on the right side resembling 3 horizontal sliders, which is actually the Show Search Options button. Click on that icon to expand the search filter options. Here's where you can really fine-tune your search. You have the ability to specify sender, recipient, subject, or include words, as well as many other options. For instance, if you want to filter out emails from a particular sender, enter their email address in the From field. This level of detail ensures that you only affect the emails you intend to. Now that you've refined your desired search criteria, move on to creating the filter itself by clicking on the Create Filter link at the bottom right corner of the options box. This will open up more choices on how the filtered emails should be handled. You can choose to have Gmail automatically archive these emails, mark them as read, star them, label them, or even delete them, among other actions. If you want them to be directed to a particular folder, use the Apply the Label option where you can create a new label or choose an existing one. An important step is to check the box that says Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. This ensures that the filter isn't just for future emails but also applies to existing ones that fit your criteria. Once you're happy with these settings, simply click the Create Filter button to put your new filter into effect. Your inbox will instantly become more organized, and you'll save time by not having to manually sort through emails in the future. Before we wrap up, a useful tip to remember is that you can always edit or delete filters by going to your Gmail settings. Click on the gear icon at the top right, select See All Settings, and navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you'll find a list of all your active filters and can make adjustments as needed. And there you have it, a practical way to manage your emails with Gmail filters. With just a bit of setup, your inbox can work smarter for you. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!